Yes, my wonderful people, welcome back to J Progress Entertainment again. Remember guys, I told you guys I have a 3-part video to give you guys. I gave you guys why Canadian women still go to Jamaica to look a husband. And me give you know why American women still go Jamaica to look a husband. And me I go tell you know why now British women still go Jamaica to look a husband. Even though them hear all the heartbreak where the woman them get. How much woman get used for visa and paperwork. Oh, them a money full of woman and them a money no good and they want 25 gal and this and that. Well, here comes the British version of the 3-part. Let me tell you something where a lot of people don't know. But if you are from the UK, you probably know this. You see, England people, they work harder than anybody else to make them bread. You hear me I say? Because first things first. Canada not easy, you know. America not easy. But England is harder. Never even mind just the work, but you see the whole climate and them something there in England, that alone make life hard enough for the people them. It makes some people depressed. It make them miserable. It make them sad. Them just want joy. Them just want fun. Here the thing what happened to enough British women now. They are so engrossed in working that most of them become workaholic. Them just focus on them job and them bills. Because when bills ready to dig out your yai ball in England, it's not normal. You understand? So before a woman know it, a year we run off and she just realize that she don't have a man. 2 years run off and she just realize that I'll know or hold me and squeeze me no get service. She no feel a tailpipe from when? Because guess what? The hunger break she get from her job is when she go on a holiday. When you hear me I say? It's only when she's going on a holiday. Worse if you find a British woman who have a youth or something like him now no time for no man. You see me? But guess the thing now why Jamaica man is so influential. Why a British woman we want them. Because say there is a strong Jamaica influence in the UK. America have a strong Jamaica influence, yes. Hence one of the reasons why you see so much American woman go down there and ray. But you see England woman they love them Jamaica man. And enough time I don't know what is the problem, but the England woman them not seems to want them man in England. You hear me I say? Them no want the man them in England. I don't know what is the problem. But them rather go out and go Jamaica, go find a man. Think about it. Not for the man them will fly out and one woman carry them go England, you know. The woman them rather go Jamaica, go find one man. Because number one is either the man them too disrespectful in England. Not for them careless and lazy no one work. Not for them rather live for benefit. And all them kind of something there. You understand me I say? As no matter how you hear them say, a Jamaica man is unfaithful. A Jamaica man is disrespectful. A Jamaica man a user and something. The England woman them still want them. And number one, you know say when England ready for coal. And them know say no other country man don't whistle the tailpipe like Jamaica man. Out of the world 3 country them, 3/4 of the woman them guard the country. Jamaica fi find a man we can whistle the tailpipe good and can say yes them have a Jamaica man. Let me tell you this. You know. Foreign woman is so attracted to Rasta man. That's why no matter how you see one little careless Rasta on the beach, when them call them renter dread or whatever in a Jamaica, him still a find a woman. And him a find multiple women too because me don't know what is it. Especially England woman and Rasta man. Then love them Rasta man gone to bed you hear sir. When them go to Jamaica you not have to ask if them a find a Rasta man. Remember when J Progress tell you that. Right? So you see, people may wonder all the while and I wonder say but them a woman you not learning man. Them a woman you a idiot. Them a woman you a this. Them a woman you a that. But guess what? You where you talk about them, woman, you're an idiot. You need to try. If you live in Jamaica or wherever, go to one of these foreign countries and be one of them women that will work hard and to make your bread and them something there. And see if you find time for man. Or the little man them where you find a ring a rosy, them a play. Because I want thing with British man them, you know. We are not Jamaican, you know. As you say, who they are the man the woman left. Relationship all last 3 months and 4 months. Because my boy now waste no time. But here you know you will find a Jamaican man who will wall out. He will have whole heap of girl, you know, but he will wall out with that woman if he rate that woman, yeah. And you know, if he heart safe tailpipe now is so good. And then the woman you love it because, oh gosh, man. When you see them go on them little holiday and meet one nice little boy and get them hold me and squeeze me service and them return back on that the 9-hour flight gone back to England. Take years me tell you say next year now pass and them no down there again. Yes, man. Next year now pass and them no down there again because guess what? They know that the only thing them go home go do is go work and work and work and work and save towards holiday. You see English people, them only look forward to them holiday. You never ask yourself the question why English people no visit Jamaica that often. Nobody never asks. Nobody never wonder. Plane fare too expensive. It is too expensive for them go to Jamaica on a regular. When a woman there American can go so boom 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 $300 and get a ticket. Jamaica even the weekend is spend and gone again. England somebody can't do it. One trip to Jamaica you have to think about spend £3,000 just like that. If you go find somewhere good for stay, you want one little vehicle to move around or anything, you spend $3,000 with these. Number one, your flight alone to England is between £800 to £1,200. So that disappear and gone already. And I know you no book the hotel. You know what I show you? So these people in the youth, them ongo work and save them money and most of them go on holiday. That's why they go on holiday. At the ongo little time them get to mingle around with a man the right and proper way. And when them drink, you know. Sure, man. When you hear English people drink, then go on holiday and have all a drink. Oh gosh, man, all you man them. At that the time spider crawl up in them skin. Them want the tailpipe without mercy, you hear, sir? You hear me, I tell you? Them want the tailpipe without mercy. Whereas if they go drink all 2 rum cream. Or they go drink one of the Jamaica Magnum. Or the Jamaica... Me tell you this, man. I saw it work. Remember, you know? To you, we them country or England hard, you know. A woman just work, and we say, alright, a holiday next. So that's why when them buck that the little spooky doogie do there. And for them little, and that the woman the little hold me and squeeze me start jump. She want the tailpipe just a whistle so and a whistle so without mercy. Remember when me tell her that and next thing you know, him did it again. Next thing you know, the man each one of the 9-hour flight there and they're right in England. So that's why I give you guys the 3 part of this video with Canada, America, and England. So all of who are saying the woman them fool, look what happened to this smaddy here, look what happened to that the smaddy there. Oh, them woman are now learn from other people mistake. You think I saw you go? When hold me and squeeze me start call for tailpipe, you think what happened to Dan down there so, or what happened to Julie up there so, or what happened to Beverly over there so have nothing to do with that woman? What you not talk about? Who not think a woman jump on a plane and go where she a go? I got Jamaica go look a man and I think about another woman. No, sorry, too bad. Only thing in her mind is that she go find one good, nice, strong man. We can whistle the tailpipe and number one again. Remember, say Jamaica man know if you do everything. They can cook, they can clean, they can wash, they can do every damn thing. And this is the edge where enough Jamaica man have over the regular man. Them. And at this somehow if you understand. So no matter how it go, the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years when me dead and gone, it will still be happening. No matter what happen, you will still have Canadian woman going to Jamaica to look a man. You will still have American woman going to Jamaica to look a man. And you will still have British woman going to Jamaica to look a man. You have all the other countries them to do it. But guess what? They are minority. For them percentage of women they do it small. But when you talk about Canada, America, and England, them make tailpipe come to life in a Jamaica. Believe when me tell you that. 1J Progress Entertainment, me people. Believe no man? You not fi ask nobody nothing. And nobody not fi tell you nothing. I just 1J Progress Entertainment. Believe.